here to unbox and kind of show you a new purse that I got from Louis Vuitton. It is the Croisette. Let's take it out of the box. I just bought it today. So here is the box. Within the bag, there's also the little envelope with the receipt and two, what looks like free samples for their perfume that they've included for me to try out. All right, I'm just gonna move the bag to the side so that we can focus on the purse. Just like any other unboxing of a Louis Vuitton, it always comes in this orange colored box. It has this ribbon, which I think has already somewhat come off, and it might just have been in the trunk of my car. So you'll just take the ribbon off. Oop, I see a little knock. I'm just gonna take that out, set it to the side. The box looks really cute, great for storage. For taking care of this bag, you want to make sure that you leave it in the box and don't crush the bag. Nothing else within this box. It's magnetic, just like all of the other storage boxes. Here's a little sticker that was on the bag. Just gonna remove it. It's probably for their own keeping track of the bags and stuff like that. Taking the bag out of the dust bag here, putting the dust bag on the side. Here is the Croisette. This particular bag is in the Damier Ebene or Ebene. I really don't know how to pronounce that, so my apologies for butchering that, but it's mostly this brownish color. On the website, they do have this little tassel on the side here, and I actually like it better on the side, so I may just move it over here later. It's something that you could easily take off by I'll just do it right now to show you, by just weaving it through this hole somehow. Let's see. Okay, it looks more complicated than I thought it would be, but you kind of just have to use some pressure and push it out. I see that they have it here on the website photo, and so I'm just gonna stick it here as well. I do like it more so on the side, but again, you can always change this up depending on your mood that day. Okay. Hoping I'll get it now. Okay, this is a little difficult. All right, I'm done spending time on the tassel. I'll keep it on the side. I might change it here if I feel like it later. This bag is fairly lightweight. I bought this bag to use as an everyday bag. You can use it just like this without the actual strap and by just holding it, or you can add the crossbody strap onto it. Taking a little closer look, there is a signature S lock here. So what you do have to do is you have to essentially move this tab to the right a little bit and it'll pop right open. And so opening up the bag, you'll see that the strap is included inside. I'll put that on the side for a second, and then there's some more so like barcodes and stuff within the bag. There is one pocket here within the bag. There are no zippers. So if you really want a zipper enclosure, this bag really does not provide those for you. But with that being said, when you do close the bag, there's very little room on the side for anything to fall out. The only time I'd be concerned with anything falling out of the bag is if you have small coins or maybe really small like tokens or something like that, and you're vigorously like shaking the bag up and down, then of course things might fall out here. But other than that, for day-to-day use, I don't think that a zipper is really needed for me. But if that's a concern for you, just keep in mind that you could always purchase a pouch. All right, so for the bottom of the bag, you can see the stitching here. It's very well made. It's that canvas material, so very easy to clean and easy to maintain. And so that really material is perfect for an everyday bag that you're not too worried about getting wet or using in the rain. You could easily maintain this type of material. So I did show you the inside. It looks pretty spacious. I'm gonna take a moment right now to see how much I can store in there. And so I'm going to add my phone, a wallet, a small wallet, and as you can see, there's still a lot of room in there. And so you could easily add some cash, some receipts, any kind of makeup in this bag. I'm just going to, for the sake of showing you, I put this ribbon in here. I'm pretty sure I can also fit this whole strap in here. And so if you're taking this bag somewhere and you don't want to use it as a crossbody at that particular moment, but you think you might want to be hands-free later, you could probably just put this strap right in here and take it with you. And again, there's still a lot more room in here. I don't really have anything else to put in right now, but if I had a bigger wallet, a change purse, some lipstick, some chapstick, any kind of hand sanitizer, you can see that there's a lot I can put in here. And so that's perfect. And I haven't even touched this like this pocket yet. This pocket definitely has a lot of room to put some stuff in there as well. So I'll take a second and I'll put on the strap for you. Let's see how it looks with the strap on. All right, to close the bag, it's easier to close the bag when there's actual stuff within the bag to help you create a little bit of that pressure against the resistance. But if it's an empty bag, all you'll have to do is kind of hold the bag from the back and then also take this part of the lock, line it up, and kind of push down. And so you'll hear a click. And so I usually push down on this right here and it kind of helps me. So here is the strap. Okay, I'm just gonna, this bag seems to be like, okay, staying straight. I feel like it tries to fall on me, but here is the strap. It's a very basic Louis Vuitton strap, matching here the handle. The thing about this bag is that the strap is not adjustable. And so that's really important to know if you're hoping to use this bag for different heights or at different levels on your body. This is just a one size fits all strap. As far as I know, there are other straps that Louis Vuitton makes that are adjustable. And so if you do find one that kind of matches this bag, you could purchase that. But as is, this bag does not come with an adjustable strap. So I'm hoping to have this tassel in the front. Ooh. And so I'm just going to clip this on. The nice thing is that these spin, so there really isn't a correct way to put this strap. Just want to make sure that, ooh, it's probably better to keep it on the side anyways. All right, so here is the bag. You can see that the strap is on. It's fairly a long strap, so it's pretty good for putting over your shoulder or wearing it as a crossbody. I'll hold it up, I'll kind of put it on me. You can see it sits really well. You could also wear it as a crossbody. It's very comfortable. It's a very cute bag. Easy to access your stuff by just pushing on this S-lock and just grabbing what you need and then closing it back up. It's cute to dress up, but also use casually when you're out and about. Very convenient. There's 2 different straps included, and I think it would match a lot of different outfits. I really love this bag. I've been looking for a bag that I could use more so every day in terms of a Louis Vuitton purse. And it took me a while to try to get my hands on this, but I finally got my hands on it today and I'm very excited to use it. I thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, let me know if you have any questions or thoughts on this bag. I'd love to hear your opinion as well, and feel free to share any other Louis Vuitton bags that you particularly enjoy and that I should maybe consider in the future. Thank you.